Welcome to Dream on Wheels. What if a campervan could combine compact practicality with premium comfort, smart engineering, and the kind of everyday usability that makes life on the road feel effortless? Today, we're taking a closer look at the impressive Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS, a modern campervan designed for travelers who want flexibility, comfort, and intelligent design, all within a highly manageable size. From the moment you first see the Globetrail 600DS, it immediately presents itself as a stylish and capable travel companion. Its sleek exterior design, clean body lines, and practical dimensions create a campervan that feels refined without sacrificing maneuverability. Built on a versatile van platform, it offers a major advantage for travelers who value easier driving, smoother handling, and greater accessibility compared to larger motorhomes. Whether navigating city streets, winding countryside roads, or remote destinations, this campervan is designed to provide freedom without compromise. Stepping inside, the interior reveals one of the Globetrail's strongest qualities: efficient use of space combined with a modern, welcoming atmosphere. The cabin feels bright, functional, and surprisingly spacious for a campervan of this size. At the front, the driver and passenger seats rotate seamlessly into the main living area, expanding the usable space and creating a comfortable lounge environment. This thoughtful design transforms the interior from a simple vehicle cabin into a practical social area perfect for relaxing, dining, or planning your next journey. Large windows invite natural light throughout the day, while integrated lighting systems create a warm and inviting ambiance in the evenings. The kitchen area is designed with practicality at its core. Despite the compact layout, it offers all the essential features needed for comfortable travel. A well-positioned cooking area, integrated sink, and practical countertop space allow for convenient meal preparation while on the road. Storage compartments are strategically placed to maximize efficiency, offering space for groceries, cookware, and daily essentials without clutter. The inclusion of a refrigerator further enhances long-term travel convenience, making this kitchen highly functional for both short adventures and extended journeys. Moving toward the rear, the sleeping area continues the campervan's strong emphasis on practical comfort. The rear double bed layout provides a dedicated and supportive sleeping space, allowing travelers to enjoy restful nights without the inconvenience of constant conversion. The bed design maximizes available room while maintaining accessibility and comfort. Overhead compartments and underbed storage ensure luggage, equipment, and essentials remain organized, reinforcing the campervan's efficient design philosophy. The bathroom area is another strong example of Dethleffs' intelligent space optimization. Compact yet efficient, it combines a toilet, sink, and shower into a practical all-in-one solution while modest in size. The layout offers the convenience and independence travelers need while on the road. For a campervan, this onboard bathroom significantly enhances travel flexibility and everyday usability. Behind the wheel, the Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS delivers a driving experience that feels modern, approachable, and highly manageable. The cockpit features supportive seating, intuitive controls, and clear instrumentation, helping reduce driving fatigue during longer journeys. Infotainment and navigation systems enhance convenience, while the compact footprint makes maneuvering significantly easier compared to larger RVs. Whether you're exploring urban environments or scenic landscapes, this campervan offers an excellent balance between mobility and comfort. The Dethleffs Globetrail 600DS proves that modern campervan travel doesn't have to compromise between mobility, comfort, and practicality. Whether you're planning weekend escapes, extended road trips, or exploring the freedom of a more flexible lifestyle, this campervan delivers a travel experience that feels comfortable, capable, and genuinely rewarding. It's a vehicle designed not just to get you from one destination to another, but to transform the journey itself into something far more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this full tour, make sure to subscribe to Dream on Wheels for more in-depth campervan and luxury motorhome walkthroughs, where we continue exploring some of the most innovative and exciting homes on wheels from around the world. Thank you for joining us, and as always,